Welcome to Yellow Slate, your very own school search engine that helps you find the best schools for your kid based on various filters and parameters.
Today we have with us Miss Archana, who is a parent of a kid who's studying in Meluha International School, which is located in Hyderabad. To get to know more details about the school and her experience so far with the school, let's have a conversation with her. Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
To begin with, what made you to choose this school in particular among the best schools that are available in Hyderabad?
One thing is, it is very approachable from my place. I wanted my son to be in a very safe place and it should be very nearby so that I can visit him often. Put in a residential school. So there are not many residential school with CBSE syllabus. So that is the main reason that I have chosen this school.
Got it, ma'am. Can you talk about the teaching faculty at Meluha International School?
The doubts are being cleared in a very detailed manner, it seems. The topics are illustrated also using the projectors so that visual understanding is more required. So that is the main concept that they are concentrating. And in few months, they have conducted many workshops also. Not only the academics, but additional information to the students is also provided very nicely. So they are getting exposed to many workshops as well as the job fairs as well, or curriculum abroad studies, workshops. So these workshops will give them more enlightenment to what to proceed in their futures. The teachers are helping them in a very structured manner as such. So that is the interesting thing which I liked in the school.
Got it, ma'am. Can you also talk about facilities being provided by the school, be it sports facilities or lab facilities, indoor sports, whatever?
There's a very good cricket ground in the school, and it is also very neatly maintained. And they have a very strict period of time that every student has to participate in physical activities. Nowadays, in every school, physical activity is not being concentrated. So I was looking for a school where the physical activities for a student should be there so that they get a refreshed mind if they do a exercise or play some games. So since he's in a residential school, they have in a morning session also they have a playtime, even in the evening time also. So two times, if the kid is being refreshed, there is no stress for them to study, only focus on studies. It is not rigid that you have to study for this much period of time. You're not pressurizing the child. He's getting ample amount of time to refresh himself, and he's ready for the next hours to concentrate on his studies.
Got
So
it.
that is very nice. And even they have taken them for other interstate competitions as well. So that is very good, actually.
Got it. Can you also talk about how accessible are the management and faculty if you want to convey your concerns or receive any feedback about your kid?
It is very good, actually. Just a ping away there. Once you ping and say them this is the issue, we get the response very fast. So if the child is in the hostel, right, they are given only 15 minutes to communicate with us.
Yeah.
So if they miss that communication also, and we request them to get any callbacks, they are arranging it. So, and even in the morning or something, if the child is not feeling well or he has some concern, when we address them, they are also taking it in a very positive manner and it is being fixed. The resolution is also very fast from their end as well. So that is very good.
Got it, ma'am. Can you talk about the quality of food being provided at the hostel? Because that plays a major role, staying
Yeah.
in the hostel. Yeah.
They have a fixed timetable as such. I mean, which day, which food must be served. And that is not restricted for saying only one serve that they can take. It is unlimited. So child may take, they have many number of choices as well. So they can pick anything. The only concern that they have is it is not being served very hot. So that is the only concern they have. But it is very hygienic and they cater that all the proteins are being taken properly. The menu is decided very nicely.
Got it, ma'am. So, can you also talk about your kid experience? How is he liking it?
He is enjoying the school. He hardly comes once in a month to the house. So, and he says, I have many friends. Since he's a single child, now he is enjoying the company more there. So, I am very happy in such manner because there should be a happy environment where they can study as well as stay also. So, that is the very interesting thing that I have in the school.
Got it, ma'am. So, if you have to be a little critical and would like to give a feedback where you think school can improve in any vertical, what can it be about?
It is regarding the study hours that I feel. After school, they have a study hour period where one-to-one concentration should be there. In the school, it is not. It is everyone there. But in the study hours, at least, the doubts has to be cleared properly, and little more concentration towards the child is what I expect. Apart from that, I have no other concerns at all. Whether they are having the Dobi service or food service or the strict discipline that they have, the timings that they are scheduling. And regarding the security, also, I have to mention the security people are too good. I mean, if anybody is trying to enter into the school or something, they have very rigid school rules that they are following. So, security wise, also, I'm very happy.
Got it, ma'am. So to conclude our interview, if you would like to rate the school on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you give and why?
9 would really good with it, because they're catering every need that a student has to have these days, the exposure or the happy environment that they should have. So I am very happy with the school management and how they're proceeding.
Got it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining and sharing your experience.
Thank you so much.